Okay, so we're on our way home from Stillwater right now. We're stopped at this gas station. We stopped at in 2017. I filmed these 3 units here. So yeah, here they are again. This is, I believe, a Concord from 2007 at the 3-ton. That's ice cold and sweaty. And this is an Armstrong air, which is rusty. And that Luxaire is quiet. Wow. Yeah, the last video, it was like, I filmed a bunch of other units in that video as well. So, this is going to be just these. Yeah, this unit's quiet. I can't remember what kind of compressor it has. So I'm not sure what year it's from yet because I need the York decoder, but it's a 4-ton. I'll check on that. Oh yeah, it is. Very cold and sweaty. It's a really nice unit. I'm not sure if it has a Bristol. I have to go back and look at that video. I can't really see when it's running though. Yeah, I think it does have a Bristol. I believe this Armstrong air is from 2006, but I'm going to check that. It's a 3-ton. Yeah, I think it is from 2006. It has been running. Alright. Yeah, I guess. Over and out. And real quickly, here's a Lennox mini split. I think it was off last time, but I can't remember. That's a 2.5-ton. I think it's from 2014 or something like that. I'm not really sure. Yeah, there's a window unit up there. So yeah.